Hi, I'm Steve from the Stone Crafting Workshop. Welcome. Today we're going to do a quick review on the Parkside Cordless Jigsaw. Here it is. I've owned it for over a year and I've used it. I bought it to work on my beach hut. Obviously there's no power down at a beach hut and there's a lot of repairs to be done on the woodwork, and I'll tell you now how I got on over that year using this tool. Let's have a look at the features on this jigsaw. It's driven by a 20-volt rechargeable battery, which is the same battery as is used on the drill and the skill saw, so that's very useful. The thing's powered using the trigger, surprisingly. This red button here is a trigger lock, stops you accidentally cutting your fingers off. The trigger itself is a speed control, variable control, so you can have the thing running slowly up to full speed. On this side you have a speed switch with 3 settings, 1, 2, 3, and you also have a switch for the vacuum extractor or a sawdust blower. I'm not sure how that works. I've never used it, don't know what it does. You can adjust the angle of the slider by these 2 screws here. You simply loosen those and move it over at the angle you want. That's a useful feature. It comes supplied with a guide, a parallel cutting guide, and you just fit that on there like that, and that's about all there is to it. It feels very well made, it feels very solid, except for this guide, which I think is a bit flimsy, but apart from that it's pretty good. There's a really clever feature, which is the blade changing operation. It's sprung loaded. There you go. Catches me every time, that. You simply put the blade into, you locate the blade, pull that back, push it in, and it locks in. It's as quick as that. I mean, that really is convenient and easy. Most Parkside tools, they seem very well designed. Let's see how it cuts wood. Well, make short work of that. That's on the highest speed. Let's try it on the lowest speed. Well, it's less keen, but it's a neater cut. Don't like that, it's too slow. We like speed and power. This is 1/2 inch sterling board. Let's not do it on full speed, I think it'll rip it apart. Well, I think this is every bit as powerful as some 240 volt jigsaws I've had. Let's try it on something a bit more substantial, shall we say. This is 22mm MDF. First bit isn't, but never mind. There we go, easy peasy. So what do I think of it? Well, for a cordless tool, it's got a lot of power and it does a lot of work. I was impressed at how effective a jigsaw it is. When I first bought it, I assumed it would only be good for cutting thin sheet materials, but that isn't the case at all. It's got bags of power considering it's cordless. Should you buy one? Well, if you often do work where there's no power available, then I think it's certainly worthy of consideration. I think it's a really good tool and it's packed with some good features. Videos about Parkside tools. Please subscribe, because I'm always going to be buying them and testing them, and more importantly using them. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.